The Supreme Court on Thursday raised serious concerns over the timing of Election Commission of India's special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar, just months ahead of assembly polls. Meanwhile, two of the petitioners questioned if ECI even had the right to decide on the citizenship of people. The bench posed three key questions to the ECI. First, what is the legal basis for carrying out SIR? Is the current procedure Second, is the current procedure valid? Third, why was it initiated so close to the Bihar election? It is also said that under Representation of People Act, the provision for SIR exercise is not present. There is a provision for intensive revision, but nothing for special revisions. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia told ECI during the hearing, "Your exercise is not the problem, it is the timing." He observed that once rules are finalised, those removed will have no opportunity to contest their exclusion before the elections. A person will be disenfranchised and won't have time to defend themselves, the justice said. Senior advocate Gopal Sankar Narayanan, appearing for petitioners, argued that SIR process is arbitrary and discriminatory. He questioned the ECI's decision to use the year 2003 as a cutoff point, claiming this artificial line has no basis in law. Quote, "The revision procedure is laid down in 1950 Act, and then he argued that this law does not permit such a distinction." Petitioners also pointed out that Aadhar cards and even the ECI's own voter ID cards are not being accepted as valid documents under the current revision guidelines. Quote, "How can the Aadhar be excluded?" Sankar Narayanan asked, highlighting that it is used to obtain other official documents. Justice Joymala Bagchi noted that legal provisions, Section 21(3) of the Representation of People Act, allows the Commission to conduct revisions as it deems fit. However, the court questioned whether the current process violates the intended spirit of the law by placing undue burden on voters. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal also addressed the bench, stressing that the responsibility to prove non-citizenship lies with the ECI, not the voter. Quote, "They cannot remove me without proving I'm not a citizen," unquote. Warning that the current approach could lead to widespread disenfranchisement, he also asked that people who have been displaced in the floods or who have some form of disability are being asked to collect documents ranging in dozens to prove that they are a valid voter even if they have a voter ID card. Citing state data, Kapil Sibal noted that few citizens possess 11 of the now required. Quote, "Passport coverage is 2.5%, matriculation 14.7%. Others are negligible," he told the court. Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi argued that the revision process was effectively a citizenship exercise which falls outside the ECI's authority. Quote, "Disenfranchising even one voter affects democracy and the basic structure," unquote, he said. The court has sought a response from the ECI as the hearing continues.